USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So let's start the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, this high is taken, I think. So this is 843, this is 72. No, it's not taken. So this high is not broken yet. This is double top. So 843. Yep, this is your double top. Okay, so this candle did not break this previous high. Okay, so we have to wait for the pullback. Now the trend is up, but pullback might happen. So coming back to daily time frame, this is the time to pull back. So I am looking for shorts in this because this was at 56.2. New low is not created yet. So we are in the uptrend as well. Okay, so here the trend is up, look for longs, I guess. Okay, so coming back to daily time frame, this is your bullish move. Okay, new high, pullback, and then engulfing candle. I think look for long only. Right, so in weekly we are up, the trend is up. Daily again, here you see this is your new high. Okay, new high, pullback, and then this is your engulfing candle, so we should go up. Okay, and let me just double check anything else here. So this was your down move which is ended. Okay, so this was your down move which has ended with these two engulfing candles. So this candle has engulfed this previous down move. Okay, so we are bullish, pull back and go up. Coming back to 4 hour again here, 4 hour is again breaking this previous BOS. So this high is taken, so we are in the uptrend. Look for longs only. Okay, that's it. Subscribe, like, share, and join free Telegram, join the brokers. All the links are below my video.